Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. So today's video, it's the next day. We're gonna see if my truck turns on, man. If you guys are gonna enjoy this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe with the bell notifications turned on all. Share this video with a friend. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business email is down below in the description with my social medias. And drop a like, subscribe. Still icy cold. Should be fixed today, chat. And turn that bell notifications turn on all. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And yep, it's still it's still frozen, guys. What the? Turn that off, dude. It's funny because, bro, it literally worked this morning, chat. So what I think is happening is, like I said, a lot of people said it was a starter. Dude, it literally started this morning. It's cold, chat. I think it's, you know what it is, chat? It's too cold. It's not starting, chat. But yeah, chat. I mean, I can't really do much about it, chat. It's funny because, bro, the sun was literally this morning, like at 9 a.m. the sun was like beaming, like shining through the truck, like through the hood. So what I believe was, like, you know, maybe the sun defrosted, melted the starter, as in it made it warmer, and it actually started. But now that it's currently, I think it's 11 p.m. Yeah, I thought my time was wrong. It's currently 11 p.m. It's like, let me show you guys the degrees. If it says ice is too cold, it's 24. Yeah, look at that. If the truck says ice, I guess it's like 20 degrees. Yeah. It's just, I don't know what to do, chat. It started this morning, but now it doesn't want to turn on, I guess because it's too cold, guys. But I don't think it should do that. What do you guys think in the comments down below, chat? Do you guys think it's just too cold? Do you guys think I still need a new starter? Like, what could it be, bro? I should have recorded my reaction when it worked this morning, but it's funny how I was doing this right at nighttime. It's just, man, this weather is not it, chat. This weather's not it. This weather gotta go, bro. I mean, I don't know what else to do, chat. We could, you know, mess around with the starter relay. A lot of people said it was a relay and stuff, but if it turned on this morning, you know, what else could it be, chat? What else could it be? Wait, did it just get stuck? Why is it on? What else could it be, chat? Could it be the starter? It's funny how I was gonna record this video hoping it would work, but now it doesn't want to turn on. I don't even want to go under the hood, chat, and like, you know, take off the relay again. Oh, a lot of people were saying that it's my radio. I mean, my battery, guys. It's not the battery because I'm getting voltage, chat. Look, here, I'll show you guys the voltage. Somebody commented on my shorts video. It's not the voltage, chat. I mean, my battery. Look, I'm getting full bolts. It's not the battery, guys. Trust me. And I already jump started it. Like, guys, I'm getting no crank. If you're getting no crank, that means, chat, it's literally the starter, bro. Like, you can hear the click. It's not spinning, you know? Somebody said it's the starter because your starter's not spinning. It's not cranking at all. So it's the starter, guys. So I gotta get that fixed, bro. It's probably rusty and old and cold, frozen. And you know what's the funny part? On my other vehicle, I had another problem today as well. Like, I don't know if it was a battery. The battery, I tried to jumpstart another truck. That battery had 10 to like 11, 12 volts ready to jumpstart, but like it wasn't going through at all. So I think that one is the starter, chat. Like, man, this weather is just tough, chat. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even want to drive it, bro, until spring and summertime, dude. Yes, chat. By the way, I'm in here with no heater, chat. But man, this weather is not it. Does the fog lights work? No, it has to be on. It's funny how this works. But yeah, bro, this weather is just not it, chat. Like, bro, I've never been this annoyed at the weather since I don't know how long ago, years ago. But bro, this weather gotta go. It's messing up the vehicles. It's messing up my tires this year. It messed up my rear tire. It messed up my starter. And I never had this issue in the summer warm weather, dude. So it's like this cold is freezing up my beat up starter, bro. Even worse than, I guess, since it's not working already. It's like freezing my starter, and I'm gonna turn it on this. So I guess at nighttime when it gets colder, it just doesn't turn on. Like, it just doesn't make sense, chat. So I'm gonna fix it, chat. I'm gonna hit up a mobile mechanic, or I might take it in. We'll see. But yeah, chat, can't really do much. Let me know what y'all think, bro. It is what it is, chat. Can't believe this is what we gotta deal with, bro. It's just, bro. Oh man, your boy can't catch a break, bro. Can't do much, man. Besides look at my LEDs and my radio, dude. I lucky want to try the hood again. Since I'm bored, I'm gonna do it, chat. Recording this at 11 p.m. when it's cold. And it's snowing. Nice, bro. More snow, bro. You gotta love it. Like, you could probably just tell. It's just, yeah. If I'm cold, imagine how cold the trucks are, bro. It's cold, chat. Yeah, you know it's cold when this thing's like... If you guys want, I could do it again, but I don't think nothing's gonna happen, chat. It's not the relay, it's just cold, dude. It's messing up my thing. Let me see. That's just cold, bro. Yeah, bro. Y'all hear that? Look at that. Shh, like, y'all hear it? It's the starter. Man, chat. I don't know what to do. This thing is frozen, chat. It's not the battery. Lights are full on. I have a good battery. Surprised it's not cooked this winter. Yeah, chat. Well, I'm definitely gonna record a video in the morning. Watch it turn on, dude. I imagine there's sun tomorrow morning, but it's not this, chat. It's just fried and cold and frozen, dude. This is the relay, dude. The starter's over here by the wheel, but you gotta love it. You gotta look, bro. I feel like this thing is frozen. It's funny, I'm doing this in like 20 negative degrees. Look at this. Snowing now. Snowing again, chat. Can't catch a break this winter, dude. But yeah, it's the starter. Again. By the way, you guys probably gonna think it's the same video from yesterday. It's not. I was hoping it was gonna turn on today, but it's not. I'm trying to like... This is not gonna do nothing, guys. It's just the starter's cooked. I'm trying to see if I could get some signal. It's funny how it turned on this morning. Now it doesn't want to turn on, dude. You gotta love it. Gotta love it, chat. Let's see. Last crank. Yeah. GG's, chat. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna... So the starter's over here, look. The starter's right here. So what I imagine, this thing is frozen. It's by the wheel. So, can't really do much, chat. Well, drop a like, subscribe, chat. Thought it would work tonight, but I'm gonna record a video tomorrow morning just to show you guys that it turns on when it's warmer. It's not the battery, by the way, chat. I'm getting voltage, just no crank. So it's the starter. It's none of this, guys. It's none of this. No, it's the starter. So GG's. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. I was gonna say, does the heater work? Wait, what if I turn on the heater? Nah. This dude. What if I turn on? No, does the heater work, or you gotta let the truck turn on? Yeah, chat. Wait, it does turn on. Yeah, chat. Here, I'm gonna get a thumbnail, chat. Radio works. It's not the battery, chat. It's the starter. So I guess I'm gonna get this fixed before springtime, chat. Another problem. We had a flat tire. Now we got a cooked starter. So drop a like, subscribe, chat. I'm gonna get this fixed. I'm gonna hit up the boy mobile mechanic. If not, I'm gonna start it up this morning just to show you guys that it turns on, and I'll probably drive to him. So drop a like, subscribe, share this video with a friend, chat. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna record a video tomorrow morning to show you guys that. It actually turns on, I guess, with warmer weather. All right. So drop a subscribe. I don't want to keep messing it up. Appreciate the support, chat. Shout out to the ones that gave me recommendations. But bro, I've never been this annoyed at the weather, bro. It's like cold and annoying, dude. Like, man. I mean, just take a look at the phone. Speaks for itself. Look at that. This weather gotta go, bro. Drop a like, subscribe. Whoever has sunny, warm weather, you guys are lucky, man. All right, chat, drop a like, subscribe. I'm on, man. GG's. Comment down below recommendations. What should I do to fix this issue?